viewers, GamerGon here, back for another video, and I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and this is indeed a house video. And happy Thanksgiving. My mom's watching the Thanksgiving parade, and I am about to test run our train set, the Polar Express that I was telling you about. So yeah, I'm gonna test run it with you guys, and then I'm gonna wait till later, and then edit the video again, and put it to where you can see it decorated and running. So yeah, guys, are you ready? Because I certainly am. Polar Express car. Here we are. Put that there. And now for the train. And yeah, guys, we just made this place. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start it right here. And all good. So tracks there, perfect. Oh gosh, we got a plug issue. Real quick, move this out of the way. And yeah, guys, this is gonna be the first house video. That's why you can see in the title it says Vlog 1 Train Set. And yeah, so yeah. Congratulations if you're watching this, our first house video. Except, also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you other
camera's right there, buddy.
Oh. After this, I'm going to show you other train videos in Mobizen, because I'm going to have, we actually have another channel where we have a bunch of Polar Express videos and like cup songs and stuff. So yeah, we're going to show you that too. So right now, let's get this party started. Plug this in. Trying to get this on. There we go, it's on. And yeah, are you ready? Woo! And guys, I might have to make 2 parts for this. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. So let's run it slow. Hold on 1 sec. What's going on here? Huh. I swear does it need to... Hold on, my dad's fixing it. Thanks, Dad. Okay. Now is it turning on, Dad? Nope. Huh. Is that even hooked up? Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Look, guys, Santa's here in the parade. Merry Christmas also, because we're going to start doing holidays. So, now back to the Polar Express once we got it fixed. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Okay, guys, we fixed it. It's up and running. Here it is, the Polar Express. Woo! There she... Oh!
Dead spot?
It just sparked.
Is there a dead spot on the track?
No?
Pull it forward a little bit.
I don't want to. Oh, it's the front, Dad.
Pull it forward. Just pull it forward a little bit.
I can't... The front's derailed. Oh my gosh, that was literally sparking. Dad, sometime you've got to take off that front. Oh gosh. I'm gonna go turn off the train real quick. Okay guys, I'll be right back for more technical difficulties.
Okay, go.
Oh, my dad just said go. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna run it slowly. It's not going. Too slow?
A little faster.
There we go. Oh, now it's going. There she is, guys, the Polar Express. In the flesh. Well, not the flesh, in the metal. Can it go around?
keep you railing?
No, we found a dead spot again. Come on. Can it make it? Headlight's not even lit. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I'm also going to switch the switch to there. Okay, take 2. Wait, Dad, stay at the thing in case you need to... Did you just stop it?
No.
It's just stopped. Dad?
Yeah, we probably gotta take a look at make sure everything's connected right.
More technical difficulties. We will be right back. I can't press it. Huh. Come on. Unable to do. Okay, now it's running. There's the train. You might want to stay away from this here. Otherwise it could be dangerous. Woo! There she goes. Oh, she's going. Yay! Now let's put it on green and see what happens. Is it gonna make it around? Is it gonna make it around? Yes, it does. And it's coming down here. Oh gosh, for a second I thought it was turning at me. There she goes. No dead spots so far. Everything's good. Sweet. Oh, she's still going. Yup, indeed, we have fixed her. Now, guys, we will be right back, and everything will be decorated, and we will have all the cars on the Polar Express. Have a good day, and we'll be right back. Hey, gamers, GamerGone here, and we are back from the clip, and we've got everything all decorated. I'm just showing you this real quick, and I'm going to attach the trains now, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, we are back, and yeah, so I got everything all set up. First I'm going to show you the village real quick. So, there's a man with a decapitated wife and stuff. Oh, also, I need to, there we go, and there we go. You know what, I'm going to close this curtain real quick. There we go. So, yeah. So, here's the Polar Express. Engine, coal car, baggage, search and rescue, puppet car where the boy... Oh, these two aren't in the movie. Puppet car where the boy gets yelled at, that angry puppet. Hot chocolate car where the chocolate gets served. Normal car where everyone sits. And last car where only that one little lonely boy sits right there. So yeah, let's get this party started. And yeah, as you can see, our village lights up, and we got some light up Christmas trees. There's a guy with a snowman and stuff. And also here's Santa's workshop with a little elf reading the paper. Some mailboxes. The guy's walking his dog. Have fun. This is careful. You need to be careful with this, though, because it's falling apart. Mailboxes, fence. So yeah, let's do this, I guess. Hi, Mom. So let's plug this in and start running it slowly. Is it lighting up? As you can see, the cars will light up. And it's just barely moving. There we go. Here she comes. flying through the snow. Polar Express is on his way. There she goes, around there and behind the table. We have a pretty long train. We have 6 cars. Let's switch this switchity switch and have it run through the village now. Sorry for the noise. It's just the clickety clacking of this train. Here she goes. And just look at that. The train going through the local village. How cool is that? Around the Christmas tree. And also, guys, no, it's not too early for Christmas. This is Thanksgiving. And the day after tomorrow, people are going to be playing Christmas songs, so deal with it. So, yeah, guys. Check out my channel. Cars are... I don't know, it's Carzar 2004, I think. And we have lots of videos on there that my dad would take with me. So, sorry I didn't get to doing mobiles and recording and showing you the channel, because I might not be able to find the videos. So, yeah, there you go. Polar Express. My train set. Just look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, guys, that is about it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and have a great time. Goodbye!